There's probably no worse moment than realizing your countershaft splines are gone. You did not see this coming. So now what? Well, today I'm gonna show you a temporary fix that can get you riding again. It's quick and super cheap and without welding. For this fix, you're going to need two sprocket retainer plates, longer bolts and matching nuts. And that's it. Most of the time, when the splines wear out, the very end of the countershaft still has good splines left. And that's exactly what we're going to use. Instead of letting the sprocket sit on the damaged section, we space it outward so it engages the healthy splines at the tip of the shaft. And the way we do that is by placing retainer plates behind the sprocket. Once in place, install longer bolts through the retainers and secure them with nuts on the back. Surprisingly, once everything is tightened, the sprocket tends to stay exactly where it should. It doesn't try to walk off the shaft. It just works. And I'm gonna show you a quick demonstration so you can see for yourself. When I first tried this, it worked way better than I thought. It kept the sprocket engaged on the remaining splines, and the bike was able to drive normally again. This trick can buy you time, it can get you back home, or it can let you ride the bike until you're ready to replace the damaged countershaft. You'll be amazed how well it works after you do this. Those retainer plates on the back just won't let that sprocket fall off. If this guide helped you out, you can support the channel for free. Just use the Amazon links in the description for your next order. Thanks for watching.